Tatjana Maria is a German professional tennis player. She was born on August 8 in 1987 in Bad Saulgau, Germany. Her father, Heinrich Malek, was a Polish international handball player originally from Zabrze. On 8 April 2013, she married her coach, the French former tennis player Charles-Edouard Maria. Their first child, a daughter named Charlotte, was born on 20 December 2013. And their second daughter, Cecilia, was born on 2 April 2021. Maria won her two singles WTA Tour titles at the 2018 Mallorca Open and the 2022 Copa Colsanitas. At the 2022 Wimbledon Championships, she won in the third round against world number 5 Maria Sakkari and in the round of 16 against 12th seeded Jeļena Ostapenko, where she saved 2 match points. This made her the oldest player to debut in a Wimbledon quarter-final. In the quarter-final, she beat compatriot Jeļena Maria, who was ranked 97th in 3 sets. She reached a Wimbledon semi-final as the 6th female player in the Open era over the age of 34 and the 6th woman from Germany. She lost to the second seed and world number 2 Ons Jabeur in 3 sets in the semi-final. She was the first mother of 2 to make the last 4 of a major since Margaret Court at Wimbledon 1975 and only the 4th player ranked outside the top 100 to reach the Wimbledon semi-finals. She has won 2 singles titles and 4 doubles titles on the WTA Tour, as well as 15 singles and 15 doubles titles on the ITF circuit. She has made 12 appearances for Germany in Billie Jean King Cup competition between 2006 and 2011 and between 2018 and 2020.